Hey Lily, this is Dozie in Washington, D.C. And my question is, other than renewable energy, do you think there are any available technologies able to mitigate or remedy the issue of climate change? For example, blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, or machine learning? Let me know.
Thank you, Dozie, for such a great question. You're absolutely correct that renewable energy is what comes to people's mind first when we're talking about climate change solutions, but absolutely there are alternative technologies that are just as powerful. So the first one is carbon capture and sequestration, and the second one is AI, like you've mentioned, and not only AI for climate modeling, but there's a company called Pachama that uses AI combined with satellite images to predict and monitor forest carbon offsets. There's also AI-powered drones, which can be used to clean up ocean plastic, and there's AI-powered robotics, which can be used to sort through trash and automate recycling. And as for cryptocurrency and blockchain and Bitcoin, I'm sure you saw my most recent episode on Bitcoin, so you understand the whole energy debate and how Bitcoin can actually drive mass adoption of renewables. There is one thing I want to mention though, which is that the most effective solutions to climate change doesn't always involve newer and sexier technologies, but rather sometimes it requires the right amount of political will and capital to scale existing solutions. Hope that helps.